Hi there, Bob Garlick, your YVR photographer's instructor. Just wanted to talk to you today about shooting kids. The thing with shooting kids is that they're a little bit shorter than you. So you got to get down to their level, get down to their eye level, which means if you're shooting a toddler who's crawling, you have to be almost at floor level. It makes for a much more dramatic shot if your camera is at the same eye height as they are. So try that as a tip and blow your friends away. If you'd like to learn more tips like this, please join us every Wednesday at 7 p.m. on at YVR Photographers.